Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Elikliv EDM401 Max 2K Digital Microscope, 7-inch LCD Digital Microscope 1200x, 24 megapixels Soldering HDMI Microscopes. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Elikliv EDM401 Max 2K Digital Microscope. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2K Microscope. Create an incredible 2160p video and capture a 24 megapixels vivid color image with an Ultra HD sensor. IPS screen. Enjoy bright saturated colors, ensures no gaffes, stings, or tears, and effective eye protection when sharing the screen with family or friends. Output flexibility. Broaden your vision on 2 screens, simultaneously. Just connect to your laptop/computer/TV/HD monitor/projector. Support both Windows and iOS devices. Full view. See the whole thing with a 10-inch stand, facilitating a wider, higher field of view in the microscope while picture taking or video shooting. Magnification. Offers 7 magnification levels at 2x, 50x, 100x, 500x, 800x, 1000x, and 1200x. High-quality optics can give you improved visual quality and sharp image when in use. 10 LED lights. Equipped with 8 LED lights and 2 auxiliary lights to illuminate dark places for sharp close-ups and brighten to keep photos visible in a variety of environments. Various adjustments. Includes height adjustment, screen rotation, and tilt features. Get the right angle of view during long periods of use. Wireless remote. Capture pictures, record videos, zoom in and zoom out, adjust image brightness and contrast, set crossover lines, and quickly rotate images. Widely used for circuit board inspection, coins checking, trick homes, rock, stamps, jewelry, watch repairing, skin inspection, flowers, and kids education. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.